Welcome, in front of me is a MEIZU M8 Lite, and today I'll show you how to enable and also set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to begin, let's pull down the notification panel, and you have the Do Not Disturb mode toggle here, the DND with the moon icon. So what you want to do is hold it, and this will take us to the settings, from where we can actually customize it. So from here, you have the toggle, and then you have schedule, which you can set a automatic schedule, so it turns on and off automatically at specific days of the week and times. So just add a schedule as an example. Start time, now I'm gonna create a work schedule, so 9 to 5 Monday through Friday as an example. So let's do something like this. Start, end time, okay, and Monday through Friday, save. And okay, so now it's all set, at least in the schedule. So we can go back, and from here we can scroll down a little bit where you have the customize priority. So you can start by choosing SMS. So this will allow you to choose who can message you or who we can hear and see that has messaged you. So you have options between allow anyone, which kind of defeats the purpose of this. Then you have allow contacts only, allow stared contacts only, or allow no one. So no one just blocks from view everything. Stared contacts probably might be the best one. You can then add contacts that you wish, basically favorite contacts, and you have more control over those contacts, and they still will be in your contact list. And calls have the same options. So let's choose that, and then you also have this option right here, so repeat caller alert. So if, for example, right now we have set stared contacts only can call you even though you have Do Not Disturb mode. If you check this on and someone calls you, for instance, from your contact list twice within a 5-minute period, the second time around you will actually be aware that they're calling you. So you can pick up, and this is good as an emergency situation. Usually people call multiple times within like just a couple minutes, so you will see that someone is really begging for attention here. And once you have set all this up, all you need to do is just quit it, and it will automatically turn itself on and off. Now you still can basically enable it manually by toggling it on like so, and then turning it off whenever you want to finish the Do Not Disturb mode. But yeah, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.